here to exchange money. After we exchange the money, we will go for the flight. After 7 hours of flight, now we have arrived to Bali. Now we are almost landed to Denpasar International Airport. I'm excited to go outside. Still we are inside the airport
and it has nice decors, traditional Indonesian decors, Kanapati decors and all. And now we are going to get baggages and the visa. They're giving 30 days visa on arrival, and that's the 30 days include the day you arrive, and this is single entry visa. So we also don't know how to get it, but we are trying to get it.
No video, so we have to stop this.
Oh.
After collecting the visa, we came out and we searched for a cab to go for Ubud.
Finding a taxi here is really easy. What you have to do is use the Grab app, which is one of the companies by Uber. You just register there and reserve a cab. It's really easy. But other than that, there are other taxis waiting for you. I highly recommend Grab, but you can go with anyone you want.
Yeah. Also make sure to buy a SIM card inside the airport, which is easy. Then you can use the internet to book a cab using the Grab taxi. Okay, then let's see you in Ubud. Okay, now we have arrived to our destination, to Ubud. So this is our hotel. First of all, let's see how our room, the facilities. So we have a bed and then the air conditioner. Let's see what else we can see, and a TV, and then coffee maker, coffee, water bottles, stuff. You have price lists for the trips and the food. Mirror, and there you have a cupboard. See what's inside. Inside the cupboard you can see a safety locker. Yeah, it's not an actual safety locker, but you can put something there, keep it safe. Inside the washroom we have the shower, and then what else? We have shampoo, conditioner. Yep. Here's a toilet. So this is the sink and the sanitaries. Yep. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So basically the environment is calm and comfortable. It's good. renting a bike is cheap and easy, so we decided to rent a bike. So renting a bike is like 3 to 4 USD. Luckily we have bikes inside this hotel, so we decided to take one. Okay, thank you.
Very popular area with tourists, and lot of tourist attraction stuff is here. Shops, restaurants, hi-fi restaurants, normal restaurants, and also you can see some stuff here to buy. And people here are very friendly and they talk to you all the time. We'll just have a walk and see what's there.
Have you asked how much price?
This is the art market in Ubud. There are a lot of art and craft stuff in Ubud. How much is this?
This dream catcher.
Yes, dream catcher.
Yeah.
How much is this?
And this one 50,000.
This one
I give
50,000.
you this one.
Big one?
Big one, this one different price.
Yeah.
This one.
And this one 200. Same.
Same.
Yeah.
200,000.
Yeah. This one 200. This one 400. And this one. Yeah. How much the price this one?
Now we have come to take our dinner. So in the art market we found a good place to eat our dinner. So let's go through this menu first. our food. So we got one nasi goreng and one iced lychee. Lychee, yes. The nasi goreng was tasty. It's rice and these crackers, and you have some vegetables as well. So so this is nice.